Oh, Slideshow!
I did it, Father! I did it! It's beautiful.
I thought I might find you here.
Clank?
Respects.
I'm not going back, Clank. This is where I belong. You were right. Fame is overrated. Especially when you're famous for causing a complete disaster.
It was not a complete disaster.
Authorities are calling it a complete and utter disaster as cleanup crews.
Sorry!
The evacuation of Novalis was successful. No one was killed or injured.
But those people lost their homes. And for that, I have to take full responsibility.
Blaming yourself and taking responsibility are two very different things. If you truly want to be accountable, you will endeavor to make things right the next time.
Next time?
Drake has one more target on his list. With Captain Corp now working for the enemy, the Rangers need you more than ever. And I would like to offer my assistance in
The
any way.
barrel.
Partner.
What's that?
Oh, I brought some friends.
Barrel. I say this show's over.
Time to get back to work.
Listen, guys, I'm sorry I ran out on you like that. Even though I messed up, I should have stayed to fix it and see it through.
We've all made bad choices. Here, check it out. Like a death photo. Oh, really? That's how we're playing?
Okay, no need to embarrass anyone here. Okay, everyone, chill out. We have a job to do. I need to start shooting at something immediately.
Well, before we just go off and start shooting at things, I was thinking that.
Get some.
That's what I'm talking about.
Forget it.
No, wait. Go on. I think we need to hear what you both have to say.
Well, while we can't move a planet out of the way, I was thinking, what if we could move the weapon targeting that planet?
Move the deplanetizer?
Knock it off course.
Okay, awesome. And just how are we gonna do that?
Not sure yet, but I'm working on it.
I might have an idea.
So as you did my track cleaning, you need to polish the Segway, and after
Rick,
that...
I want to talk to you. You tried to kill my Rangers. You said you'd leave them alone.
And I meant it at the time. I detest bloodshed as much as any blood. But sometimes sacrifices are necessary for the greater good.
I know you're working with Nefarious on this.
Yes, isn't it wonderful?
Is it a bio? We're going to.
We should make t-shirts.
You're making a big mistake. You have no idea the kinds of evil he's capable of.
Oh, but
Guy.
it's all right here in his resume.
That's it, bottle.
Special skills. Horrendous evil, unspeakable evil, diabolical evil. He's very well rounded. And apparently he can juggle.
Uh-oh. Do I feel my ears burning?
And there's our little juggling psychopath now.
You died in a prison escape. There were witnesses.
Oh, people will say and do
No,
just
no,
about
it's just
anything
shut
for
on
the right
the bottle.
price. What was yours?